Removal of BMW E46 Rear door window mechanism and motor. Before we begin, Step 1. Position the glass. Step 2. Detach the glass. Step 3. Detach the electrical plug. Step 4. Remove the nuts. Step 5. Move the window up. Step 6. Free the studs. Step 7. Clear the guide. Step 8. Remove the mechanism and motor. Step 9. Move the window down. Step 10. Remove the bolts. Step 11. Remove the motor. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.